Today, we're diving into the world of seamless audio integration with the custom Autosound Bluetooth kit. If you've ever wished for a hands-free solution to keep you connected on the road while enjoying your favorite tunes, this might just be the answer. What sets this Bluetooth kit apart is its compatibility with a range of custom Autosound stereos, including the USA 630, USA 632, Slide Bar, Secretaudio SST, and SRMS models. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the adapter that plugs directly into the 8-pin DIN CD changer port of your custom Autosound radio. Once connected, you'll experience the convenience of hands-free calling, allowing you to keep your focus on the road ahead while staying connected with friends, family, or colleagues. And let's not forget about the ability to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone. Whether you're into the latest hits or old-school classics, you can enjoy your music library without the hassle of cords or cables. The Bluetooth interface seamlessly integrates with your car stereo, providing a wireless communication standard that ensures clear audio transmission. And with support for Bluetooth technology, you can rest assured that your device will pair effortlessly with the kit. One of the standout features of this Bluetooth kit is its compatibility with custom Autosound CD controller radios. Whether you're rocking the USA 630, USA 632, Slide Bar, Secretaudio SST, or SRMS stereo, this kit has got you covered. Overall, the custom Autosound Bluetooth kit offers a simple yet effective solution to enhance your driving experience. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to seamless connectivity. So if you're looking to upgrade your car stereo system and enjoy the convenience of hands-free calling and wireless music streaming, look no further than the custom Autosound Bluetooth kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.